Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial on how to choose your recording software for gaming, for presentations, for maybe other stuff you may need it for. But yeah, this is gonna be a video of me describing how to choose your recording software and my recommendations of which software I would recommend based on my experience. So let's get into how to choose a recording software. My personal factors would be video and audio quality. That's probably the most important one. And then I would say it's the price, being free, costing some money, costing more money, and stuff like that. The ease of use, how simple it is, or is it complicated and stuff like that. Next, it's gonna be settings. For example, let's take OBS, which is an open broadcasting software where there's a lot of settings you need to adjust and stuff to get the perfect image, which may be hard for a new person. And then there's reliability. Basically, how reliable the software can be. Will it crash? Will it have problems with it and stuff like that? But yeah, pretty simple. So getting of my way of choosing recording software, it's basically trying the softwares and just seeing which fits you best. For here, I got three examples that I recommend to try. It's OBS, which is free, Bandicam, which you can try for free and you can buy it later if you want to, and Action, which you can also try for free and buy it if you like it. Um, I would say there isn't the best recording software. They're all very similar. It's just finding what is the best for you. Um, I tried OBS and I tried Bandicam and I tried Action. I bought Bandicam, the full version, and after that I also bought Action, the full version, but I use Action. Um, it's also just about um, um, it's just relying on a lot of factors like your maybe your hard drive, your screen, and stuff like that. Um, it's hard to say the best, but just try and see. For me personally, um, Bandicam and OBS were really close. Bandicam was a tad better than OBS in quality, but when I tried Action just blown out the rest of them. So Action was the one for me. So I just left Bandicam and I just bought Action and used that. On my other computer, Bandicam was the best. I was using Bandicam on my other computer and it was doing the best. On my laptop, OBS was doing the best. I'm not joking, guys. Each laptop, each computer may have a different best one, so it's just about trying and just finding the best one. That's the best method. Trying and picking one. You can't go wrong with either one of those. They're all really good. So yeah, but minor disadvantage is just if you want to get the most out of your software, you have to buy Bandicam and Action because Bandicam and Action do have a watermark. I don't suggest pirating it. Just buy it so you won't have issues later with the watermark and cracking and stuff. I just don't recommend it, but it's up to you guys. But yeah. Um, yeah, I want to keep this short, but that's my way, I guess. For me, Action is the best. Then it's uh, Bandicam, then it's OBS. But as I said, on different computers, different things work out. So yeah, that's gonna sum it up. It's a really short video, I know, but yeah, I'm not the guy who will go into technical stuff. I'm just, you like it, you use it, you know. It's just simple as that. So yeah. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave me a like and subscribe. I will be releasing more videos on editing softwares and stuff like that. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, just like subscribe and you can watch it. Yeah. Anyways, see you in the next video and goodbye.